Perfect. Now let's learn how to set up your terms and conditions. You can create your own custom templates, which is especially helpful since your products or services may be used in different ways depending on the situation. These options give you more control and flexibility for specific use cases. You can also create your own service notes to outline deliverables, project details, special considerations, or anything else you'd like your clients to know. Feel free to get creative and customize everything to fit your business needs. Great. Now let's take a look at how product and service catalogs work. You have several item types available to help you organize everything you offer to your clients. You can name your items however you'd like, assign custom tags for easy selection later, set your pricing, and apply the appropriate taxes for your country, which are calculated automatically. It's simple, fast, and designed to make your workflow easier. Go ahead and give it a try.